It's that time of year again, the Style Maker Fabrics Spring Style Tour. If you can remember, I've made a variety of different garments for the spring tours throughout the years. Most of them have been dresses and or made from some lightweight drapey fabric. And this year I was tempted to do the same, but after being in Seattle, something came over me. I wanted to just flip the script and make something unlike I've ever made before. So I decided to make the Jenny overalls from Closet Case Patterns. I know, wild, right? I made my top and bag too, and I will get to those soon. But let me break down all the details of these awesome overalls first. The Jenny overalls are a modern interpretation of classic overalls and wide leg trousers with an ultra high rise, sleek functional details, and a comfortable all day long fit. There are a bunch of options with this pattern, including shorts with the bib, shorts or pants without the bib, optional slash pockets in the front, and curved patch pockets in the back, a faux fly front, and your choice of single or double side zippers. I opted for full-length pants, slash front pockets, back patch pockets, and the faux fly front. I also really wanted a back bib, which the Jenny does not have, so I drafted my own. It's pretty much a really tall and skinny trapezoid that I finished the same way the front bib was. Kind of think like a pyramid with a flat top, sort of. I did make a few tweaks to the pattern with regard to sizing. I graded between sizes and made a 14 bodice, 16 waist, and 18 hip in the front leg and 20 hip in the back leg. I also had to shorten the crotch by 1/2 inch in the front and 1/4 inch in the back. Finally, I shortened the leg length by 1 inch at the knee and 2 inches at the mid-calf. Closet Case Patterns are known for their more curvy pattern block, which is why I went with this overall pattern over the others that are available. I am thrilled with the fit and absolutely loved making this pattern. Okay, let's talk about this fabric. It is a stretch twill with this really cool geometric print. The print is a bunch of blocks lined up vertically and horizontally, so it's a little more like a plaid than you might realize. For pattern matching, I was really only concerned with matching up the blocks horizontally. The blocks are lined up vertically at the center front through the bib, bib pocket, waistband, and pants, but really nowhere else. And it's also not perfectly lined up through the side seam due to the curve of the pants. Because of the print matching and the fact that the fabric is only 50 inches wide, I would highly recommend ordering an additional yard. I was having to do some serious pattern Tetris to get everything cut out the way that I wanted. The fabric has a 40% stretch, making them really comfortable and slightly forgiving in the fit department. It was super easy to sew with too. I used a size 90 universal needle and serged all the insides. It presses really easily as well. I just had to use a tailor's clapper on the really thick seams, like the corners of the bibs. Style Maker Fabrics also sells the Jenny Overalls hardware kit, so it was really easy to gather all of my supplies. I just needed to track down a metal jeans zipper, which can be found at almost any craft store. The hardware, including the lapped zipper, is really easy to install. I found blog posts with instructions on how to install the jeans buttons and the buckles on Closet Case's website. Okay, enough gushing about my new overalls. Let's talk about this equally awesome top. It is the Nico top and dress from True Bias. And I've heard so many great things about this pattern over the years. It took me way too long to finally get around to making one for myself, but I'm so glad I did. It definitely lives up to the hype, and I will be making more. The Nico pattern includes 4 views, all with a simple and stylish mock turtleneck. Views A and B are tops with a fitted silhouette. Views C and D are straighter through the waist and hip, extending to the ankle with knee-length side slits to complete the dress. Views A and C are both sleeveless, cut to resemble a racerback, but with enough coverage to wear a regular bra. Views B and D have long fitted sleeves that reach the wrist. I made View A, the sleeveless top, as is, with no alterations other than grading between sizes. I followed the size chart exactly, and the fit is spot on. I used a wide rib knit made from cotton and spandex from StyleMaker Fabrics. It has 100% stretch and is so soft and comfortable to wear. The recovery is really great too. As far as sewing goes, this knit was so easy to sew. I used size 80 ballpoint needles and sewed the whole thing on my serger. One change I did make to the instructions was to leave the armbands exposed. The pattern will have you fold them under and top stitch, but I like the look of the bands, so I left them as is. The whole top, from cutting to final press, took about 2 hours. Like I said, there will be more. The bag is the Caravan Tote from Noodlehead. I love the size of this tote for all my market shopping I'll be doing this spring once we're allowed out of our homes again. And it has so many pockets and compartments. It's basically impossible to lose anything in this bag no matter how much you fill it with because there's a spot for everything. The outer patch pocket is perfect for my phone, and the outer zipper pocket is so deep and roomy with perfect little compartments for pens and lip gloss and anything else that you need that's long and cylinder. The interior pockets are just as plentiful. There's really a place for everything. The fabric for the bag is a cotton linen blend from StyleMaker Fabrics, obviously, that is a dream for bag making. This is actually the second bag I've made with this substrate, and I really love it. For the contrast pieces, I used a micro gingham cotton. To make it as sturdy as the main fabric, I simply interfaced it with 2 layers of SF101. The lining fabrics all came from my stash. It was a little confusing to understand which lining fabrics were for which part of the bag, but slowing down and reading carefully, I was able to figure it out. The bag handle is a cotton webbing, also from StyleMaker. It's available in 14 different colors, so you'll definitely be able to find a color to match your next bag project. The bag really gives the whole outfit a fun pop of color and print, and I'm so glad that I decided to add it to the mix. And there you have it, my entire spring style tour look. 3 new pieces that are a little different for my style, but still so me at the same time, don't you think? Please check out the description box where I have links to all of the products that I mentioned in this video, and until the end of the month, StyleMaker Fabrics is offering $5 shipping on all orders, no matter what size. So be sure to fill up your cart soon. And finally, be sure to check out the rest of the tour makes. Cutie Danica Does It will be going live tomorrow with her make, which is sure to make you smile. But that's going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all very soon. Bye!